tongan-tonganba department singi oina LUPA Crore Lishing ahunga chamri humputara taruk Lakh kunganithoi lising mangagi Shenpham Ngasi PHAMKHIBA assembly MEEPHAM na Amatta Oina Yanaraba Matung pass Toukhre Ngasi PHAMKHIBA assembly MEEPHAM gi nungthilgi session da agenda number 4 oina tongan-tonganba department singi discussion and voting on demands for grants ase finance ki charge puriba chief minister nongthombam birena house to move tawrakhe Chief Minister na move tawrakhiba demand sing adude state legislature ki demand number 1 da LUPA crore chani parifutara nipal lakh yangkhai manga lising kuntra tarok demand number 2 Council of Minister ge LUPA crore tara tarok lakh kunganipal demand number 3 Secretariat ki oina LUPA crore chamaga humpu humdoi lakh nifu humdoi lising marifutara tarok demand number 12 Municipal Administration Housing and Urban Development ki LUPA crore Chamapal Hufumathoi, Lakh Kuntra Mapal, Lising Kuntaret, demand number 21, Textiles, Commerce and Industries ke, LUPA Crore Chamaga Marifunithoi, Lakh Nifu Mapal, Lising Marifu Manga, demand number 22, Public Health Engineering ke LUPA Crore Lising Amaga Chatruk Taranithoi, Lakh Nifu Manga, Lising Humputara Humdoi, demand number 26, Administration of Justice ke LUPA Crore Chamaga Marifutara, Lakh Nifu Lising Yangkhai Nithoi Amade, demand number 27, Election ke LUPA Crore Yangkhai Mathoi, Lakh Tara Mapal Lising Kuntra Tarukne. Hariba Shenpham Ngasi Mathang Chahi ki March ke Tang Kuntra Mathoi da loigadaba Chatliba Senba Chahi asi faubugine. Chief Minister Nongthombam Birena demand Ngasi discussion amasung voting ki damak move tawraba matung opposition ki member MLA TH location na demand number 12 Municipal Administration Housing and Urban Development, demand number 22 Public Health Engineering, demand number 26 Administration and Justice amade MLA Mega Chandrana demand number 21 Textiles, Commerce and Industries amade demand number 27 Election ki matangda cut motion sing pukhalakhe opposition ki member anina pukhalakhe ba cut motion sing adugi paukhom mari leinaba minister sing haibade mahut minister Y Khemchan PHED minister L Susindro chief minister Nongthombam Biren amade law and legislative affairs ki minister TH Basanta Kumar na paukhom piraba matung speaker TH Setrabrata na demand sing ase pass tawre haina house ta thamkhe